today I will be teaching you how to add fractions using the butterfly effect. And in this method you will also be multiplying, so you need to be comfortable with multiplication for this method to be effective for you. So to start off, we are going to use the fractions 1/3 plus 2/5. And it's going to look exactly like this. Now, to start off with, we are going to first make our wings. In doing that, we have to multiply. But first, before we multiply, we are going to make our wings. So, to do that, we are going to grab our 1. We're going to come down, grab our 5 in the same group, just like that. And then we're going to grab our 3, grab our 2, and come down. So now we have 2 wings. Second off, we're going to make a bottom area for the base, and then we're going to make 2 antennas, one going this way and the other going that way. Now to get these spots, fill out these spots, we're going to multiply. So we're going to multiply 1 times 5, and to get this one we're going to do 2 times 3. So 1 times 5 is going to be 5, so 5 will go in this little area. 3 times 2 is 6, so it's going to go in this little area. Now for this bottom area, it's a little different because we are just multiplying 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 is just going to go in this little area. So 3 times 5 is 15. So we're going to put 15 right there. Now with that being said, we're going to now, to get our numerator and denominator, which is our answer, to get that, we are going to have to add across. Now to add across, we're just going to do 5. 5 plus 6 is 11, so 11 would be our numerator, which would go right there. Now to find our denominator, since you have only one number down here, it's set in stone, so you don't have to add anything to it, so our denominator would just be 15. And you bring it over here. So, with that being said, we have 1/3 plus 2/5 equals 11/15. Now, for the second fraction that we're going to do, it's a little bit harder because we are having to change it into a whole number, because we have a big number on top and a little number on bottom. Well, I said that wrong. We have a big number on top and a little number on bottom, and so the big number can go into the little number, so we are going to make it into a whole number. So with that, we're going to do 3/4 plus 2/5, and it's going to look like this. Now, to begin with, we're going to make our wings first. So we're going to grab our 3, come down, grab our 5, go up, grab our 4, go up, and go down. So now we have our wings. And then we're going to make our bottom area, and then we're going to make our 2 antennas. Now again, we're going to multiply. So multiply 3 times 5 and 2 times 4. 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. Now for this bottom area, we're just going to multiply across. Multiply across. 4 times 5 is 20, so 20 would go right there. Now to get our answer, remember we add across. Now we add across. 15 plus 8 is going to be 23, so 23 would be our numerator. Now to get our denominator, remember 20 is the only number down here. There's no other number, so we don't have to add it to anything. So it is set in stone, so all we have to do to 20 is move it over. So we're going to move it over, and it's going to be 23rd over 20. But 20 will go into 23 one time. So that means we're going to have 1 for the whole number, 20 can go in 23 one time with 3 left over. So 3 would be our new numerator. The denominator would be the same, so it would be 20. So with that being said, 3/4 plus 2/5 equals 1/3/20. I really hope this method helps you adding fraction. I hope it makes it easier for you, but like I said in the beginning, you need to be comfortable multiplying for this method to be effective for you. I hope it works for you and enjoy it.